Hey everyone, this is Ibrahim Aswane from Hence S Perfect. Thank you for tuning in this video. I really appreciate it. I hope we are all doing amazing. Most importantly, stay protected. Today I'm going to share with you the most creative and simple way to blend images and fonts in Photoshop. In the second part of the video, I'll show you how to actually arrange those layers and images in Photoshop. Go ahead, create a new file. Let's give it a size of 1280 pixels by 720 pixels. So now click on the text. Let's write in. Make sure you have a font style of Mistral, Mistral. Just search it there and click enter. It will come. Give it a font size of 1000 pixels. That will be okay. So now let's type in GE. So what we're gonna do is we have to go to Pexels, pexels.com, and search forest. Take one image from there, and that's the image we'll use to blend our text with. So let's copy that image. No need to download it, just right click, copy image. So let's go to our work, Ctrl V to paste it. So you can use the shortcut Alt Ctrl G to clip mask it. We'll be using the clipping mask property, or you go to layers, clipping, you click clipping mask. You see now it is inside the text. Ctrl T to arrange it, to resize it. Oh yes, so we have that. So what you need to do, go to the text and drop shadow, FX drop shadow. Let's take it back to 0 and text again. Click anywhere in the text. Let's give it a pixel of 200, the same font style Mistral, and just type in watch. But our watch is below our image and it is in clipping mask, so just click Alt Ctrl G to remove it from clipping mask. So now it is shown. Let's drag it in to that position, but it is a bit big there, so I think we have to change the font to 150 pixels. So let's go ahead and duplicate the text our watch so that we'll have the same kind of text. So we have to change that one to just JUST. But this JUST, we have to increase the text a bit, the font style a bit. So now what we need to do, the image, we will use the same image and clipping mask it for all of them. So what you need to do is duplicate the layer, put it on top of it and on top of our watch, and arrange the layers. This is what I was showing you how to arrange. This is what I was telling you how to arrange the layers. I'll show you in the second part of the video, and here it is. Oh yes, Ctrl T and arrange it. All what we are doing here is the clipping mask property. Nice. So let's click on the other duplicated image. Alt Ctrl G again, and under our watch. Nice. Duplicate that one too. If we are clipping maxing something, like if it's an image, if you write in the image, if you read the text, the image should be above the text and you clip mask the image there. If it is a shape, the image should be above the shape and clip mask the image. So what we need to do now is just to add a drop shadow to our texts. That is the watch and just. That's all left. Very easy and simple and creative. You can use any kind of images for this, any type of shape. You can do it for shape, for images, and so on. So let's give that one 2. Initially our GE, we gave it a drop shadow of 0, but for our watch and just, let's give them a drop shadow of 2. So let's give it a pattern. Okay, so that will be the background, so that we can see it properly. It will not be very wide. So that's it.